Hare Krishna. Today is 29th of September 2020. By the mercy of Srila Prabhupada and Vaishnavas around, we are continuing your Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya. And I am really very happy that with the cooperation, you all good souls, we are getting into Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya. Hare Krishna. Today, text 11 onwards of third canto, chapter 10, entitled Division of the Creation. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Gudirayet. नष्टप्रायेषु भद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया भगवती उत्तमश्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नष्टकी. कृष्ण. मैत्रेयोवाच गुणव्यतिकराकारो निर्विशेषो अप्रतिष्ठितः पुरुषास्तद् उपादानं लीलया सृजत्. Oh, I made a mistake. पुरुषास्तद् उपादानम् आत्मानं लीलया सृजत्. Maitreya Vacha. Maitreya said, Guna Vyatikara, of the interaction of the modes of material nature. Akaraha, source. Nirvisheshaha, without diversity. Apratishthitaha, unlimited. Purushaha, of the Supreme Person. That Upadanam, instrument. Atmanam, the material creation. Leelaya, by pastimes. Asrijat, created. Translated purport by His Divine Grace. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Maitreya said, eternal time is the primeval source of the interaction of the three modes of material nature. It is unchangeable and limitless, and it works as the instrument of the Supreme Personality Godhead for His pastimes in the material creation. Om Jnana-Timirandasya Jnana-Anjan-Salakaya Chakshmritamenam Tasmai Sri Guruve Namah Sri Chaitanya Manovishnam Sthapitamene Bhutale Swayam Rupakatamayam Dadati Supadantikam Vandeham Sri Guru Shadapadakamam Sri Gurun Vaishnavam Cha Sri Rupam Sagrajatam Sagana Raghunathan Vidatam Sajivam Sadhuitam Sabadutam Parajan Saitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Padan Sagana Lalita Sri Vishakan Vitam Cha He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Deenabandhu Jagatpate Gopes Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namastute Taptikachana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhanu Shute Devi Pranamami Hari Priye Vamsha Kalpataru Vyasya Kripa Sindhu Vayevacha Padita Nama Pavani Bhyo Vaishnavi Bhyo Namo Nama. Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare. Namaha Om Vishnupadaya Krishna Vishtaya Putale Sri Mate Jayapataka Swami Tinamine. Namaha Acharya Padaya Nitya Kripa Pradayane Gaur Gadada Madaya Nagar Gramatarane. Namaha Om Vishnupadaya Krishna Vishtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swami Nitinamine. Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Pracharane Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Pashyadade Satarane. Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare Hare. Maitreya Vacha Gunavyatikarakaro Nirvishesho Apratishthitah Purushastada Upadanam Atmanam Leelaya Srijat. So now we are hearing from Maitreya Muni in answer to the question of Vidura. He said, please explain to me in detail. By detail? Vayam tu na vitrapyama uttama sloka vikrame yaksha Sharnavatam rasam jnanam swadu swadu pade pade. Devotees are never tired of listening Harikatha. And so, though all of his questions have generally been answered, but he wants to know more and the more and yet more. There is no end to it. Anandam vardhanam pratipadam. Anandam buddhi vardhanam pratipadam. At every step, it increases. So, Petra is saying, eternal time is the primeval source of the interaction of the three modes of material nature. Lord says, Kalu Asmi. I am the Kala, I am the time. It is unchangeable and limitless. No change. And there is no limit to it. And it works as an instrument, is an instrument of the Supreme Person of Godhead, and generally for his pastime in the material creation. Because in Goloka or Vaikunta, generally there is no concept of time. Everything is present. There is no the feeling of what we have done and what we are going to do. Nothing like that. I am doing, and what are you doing? Bhakti, bhakti, bhakti. Tadaham bhaktim upritaha. So this is the way of understanding. So let us see what Prabhupada has to say in the Anvasakam in this purport. The impersonal time factor is the background of the material manifestation. So the time is impersonal feature of the Lord. As an instrument of the Supreme Lord, it is the ingredient of assistance offered to material nature. Because the material nature has to work by the assistance of time, Akala. No one knows where time begins and where it ends. We don't know when we came to Qatar and when we are going to go, nobody knows. And those who have gone from Qatar, they wanted to come back. So no one knows. What is going to happen next, nobody knows, Baba. And it is the time only which can keep a record of the creation, maintenance and destruction of the material manifestation. Though we say it is eternal, but since it's that these planets that has come out from the body of Garudakshai Vishnu or Karanadakshay Vishnu, they have a limited time. What the time? Inhaling and exhaling, the time of the breath of Mahavishnu, that's it. So it's the time factor. So material world is bound by the time. This time factor is the material cause of creation, and it is therefore a self-expansion of the person of Godhead. Time is considered the impersonal feature of the Lord. So, I don't know whether you knew it or not, but I don't know whether I remember it. That impersonal feature of the Krishna is time. If somebody says, we don't believe in God, he said, do you believe in time? Now, if you believe in time, then you believe in God. Because time is the impersonal feature of the Lord. So even you are worshipping, what you worship in the time? Get up in the morning, do your Sandhya Vadana, and in the evening, everything, time. Everything time factor. We go to office in time, sleep in time, wake up in time, do the other kind of things in time. Everything time factor. And that time factor is Krishna. Though in 6th chapter, 7th chapter you see, Rasovam apsu kaunteya, prabhasmi sasya suryayoho, pranava sarvadevesu, vedesu kham narshu. And now today we come to the time. Whenever you see the time, oh, time to go to the office, time to do my japa, time to do this, every time you say time, you're seeing the Lord. To them is impersonal, but for us is personal. That's the only difference. Furthermore, purpose is, the time factor is also explained by the modern men in various ways. Some accept it almost as it is explained in the Srimad Bhagavatam. For example, in Hebrew literature, time is accepted. Hebrew Jews, in the same spirit as a representation of God. It is stated therein, God, who at sundry time and in the diverse manners spake in time past unto the fathers of the prophets. Metaphysically, time is distinguished as absolute and real. Although time is continuous and it unaffected by the speed or slowness of the material things. Doesn't matter. Things are fast or slow, time runs. As they say, everyone waits for the time. Everyone waits for the time, but time waits for no one. Remember we say, oh, Sumurta, 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 come, do it, and Sumurta just pass by. So time waits for no one, but all of us wait for the time. The time has come for retirement. Time has come to go to India or pilgrimage or whatever it is, time bound. Or is it time to have prasadam? Everything is time related. Nothing with time related. Purpose is, the time is astronomically and mathematically calculated in relation to the speed change and life of particular object. Factually, however, time has nothing to do with the relativity of the things. Rather, everything is saved and calculated in terms of the facility offered by time. When you go and buy some instrument, they say, what is the warranty? So then it's going to last only for 2 years or 5 years or whatever it is. So that is also time related. Warranty 5 years or 100,000 kilometers, whatever you can calculate. So it's a time factor. The time is the basic measurement of the activity of our senses, by which we calculate past, present, and future. Time does not mean only that watch time. Even we're sitting here, this is also time, the present time. But it is factually calculation. Time has no beginning and no end. Chanakya Pandit says that even a slight fraction of time cannot be purchased with millions of dollars. And therefore, even a moment of time lost without profit must be calculated as the greatest loss in life. Time is not subject to any form of psychology, nor are the moments objectives, realities in themselves, but they are dependent on a particular experience. Professor says, therefore, Sri Jiva Goswami concludes that the time factor is intermixed with the activities, actions and reactions of the external energy of the Lord. The external energy or the material nature works under the superintendence of the time factor as the Lord himself. And that is why material nature happened to have produced so many wonderful things in the cosmic manifestation. Bhagavad Gita 9.10 confirms this conclusion as follows. Maya dakshena prakriti suyete sacharacharam hetunanev kaunteya jagat bhi pravartate. So everything is time. As you say, okay, our class will only for 1 hour, Bhagavatam recitation for 45 minutes, then this and then this. Everything is being controlled by time. Fantastic, isn't it? We are controlled by time. Oh, I am now this many years old and this and that, everything time. So that is so very important. No explanation really. Let me take to the text. 12 also is an easy one. Vishwam ve brahma tanmatram samasthitam Vishnu mayaya Ishwarena parichinnam kalena vyaktamurtina. Vishwam, the material phenomenon. Vai, certainly, Brahma, the supreme, Tatamatram, the same as Samasthitam, situated, Vishnu Mayaya, by the energy of Vishnu. Ishwarena, by the personality of Godhead. Parichinnam, separated. Kalena, by the eternal time. Avyakta, unmanifested. Murtina, by such feature. Translated purport. By His divine grace, Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. This cosmic manifestation is separated from the Supreme Lord as a material energy by means of Kala, which is the unmanifested impersonal feature of the Lord. It is situated as the objective manifestation of the Lord under the influence of the same material energy of Vishnu. Purpose. As stated previously by Narada, before Vyasadeva 1.5.30. Let us go there and see what is it. Idam hi vishwam bhagavani vetaro yatho jagastastanam nirodha sambhavaha tad vidde swayam veda bhashvatam tathapite pradesa matram bhavata pradarshitam. It says, the Supreme Person of Godhead is Himself, this cosmos, and still He is aloof from it. From Him only has this cosmic manifestation emanated. In Him it rests, and unto Him it enters after annihilation. Your good self knows all about this. I have given only synopsis. According to Shloka, Idam hi Vishwam Bhagavan Iteshwaraha. This unmanifested word is the same personality of Godhead, but it appears to be something else beyond or besides of the Lord. It appears so because of its being separated from the Lord by means of Kala. It is sometimes like the tape recorded voice of the person who is now separated from the voice. As the tape recording is situated on the tape, so the whole cosmic manifestation is situated on the material energy and appears separate by means of Kala. The material manifestations is therefore the objective manifestation of the Supreme Lord and exhibits His impersonal feature, so much adored by the impersonalist philosopher. So, Kalu Asmi. Okay, there's the time I think. Let me take the text 13 also. Iti dhani tathagre cha Pashyadapi edad idrisham yatha, as it is. Idanim, at present. Tadha, so it was. Agre, in the beginning. Cha, and. pashat, at the end. Api also. Etad idrisham. It continues to be the same. Translation purport by Srila Prabhupada. This cosmic manifestation is as it was now. It was the same in the past, and it will continue in the same way in the future. Temporary, but kind of eternal. There is a systematic schedule for a perpetual manifestation, maintenance and annihilation of the material world. As stated in Bhagavad Gita 9.8, Bhutagramam idam krisanam avashat prakritehe vasat. As it is created now, and it as it will be destroyed later on, so also it existed in the past and again will be created, maintained and destroyed in due course of time. Therefore, the systematic activities of the time factor are perpetual and eternal and cannot be stated to be false. The manifestation is temporary and occasional, but it is not false as claimed by the Mayavadi philosopher. So, these are just a kind of information, not much philosophy. So that's why nothing much to explain. But the time factor is so very important in everyone's life. You know the value of time. If a child has failed, he knows the value of 1 year. Value of 1 year. If some pregnant lady has the miscarriage, she knows the value of that month. Okay. If somebody has missed an interview, he knows the value of that 1 hour he could have earlier. The person who has just escaped from a rundown of a car on the middle of the road, he knows the value of that particular second. So whether it is 1 second is valuable, 1 week is valuable. Like Parikshit Maharaj has 1 week. What is the value of that 1 week? Or Khadvanga Maharaj had the time for 2 minutes. He knew the value of those 2 minutes. Or somebody has the value for 1 month. Somebody has 1 year. But nobody has the value of the body. It's just going. Mirga Sharanti. Nobody has the value that we have come in the human form of life. And it has a time factor in it. And every day is passing by. Prabhupada is saying, giving the Chanakya Pandit's anecdote, that even 1 second passed by, you cannot buy it even for the millions of dollars. That's gone. So we should have the value of the time. Value of the time we have, remaining time nobody knows, but what all we know, the time is limited. That we all know. Now in the limited time, we must do the maximum thing. And if we don't take care of ourselves, then who's going to take care? So there is the value of time. You see, missing by a few seconds, that is the value of the time. We should also know Dehanam Chadavangura Tatrapi Dullabam Mane Vaikunta Priyadarsanam Dullavo Manushu Deho Dehanam Chanabhangura. It is like in the rainy season, you must have seen the bubble. They just pop up, burst out. Dehanam Chanabhangura. In comparison to 8.4 million species of life, the 60, 70, 80 years that we have, it is just like that. हाँ? तो दुर्लभो मानुषो देहो देहानाम क्षण भंगुर तत्रापि दुर्लभम मन्ये. But more difficult than that, Vaikuntha Priya Darshanam. To associate the Vaikuntha Priya, or to whom Vaikuntha is Priya, or to who are favorable by the Vaikuntha Pati, by Krishna. Very, very rare. So let us not waste this time with Ahara and Nidra. It'll go on. Kim khadanti na mehanti grame pasue pare. Or the village animals do not eat and discharge semen. So what is so great? So having come in human form of life, let us utilize it. Very rare opportunity. And you know that too. We can listen, we can see, we can talk. The time comes, God forbid, when the senses will stop working. Then what will you do? The time is now. The time factor that we are discussing today, let us utilize it maximum. So with this, come to the conclusion. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.